Okay, so as many times it will happen, I was wrong. I have a Dean's connected battery, which is a great thing. So I don't have to do anything strange to that. It will just fit perfectly in there. However, it did not fit perfectly in my X-Wing, no, not X-Wing, not Thunderbird. Anyway. In my RC plane, it didn't fit well in my RC plane and I had to do things, but it works well here. And as you can see here, when I press this button or switch this, the fan turns on, so we're halfway there, maybe. This is the remote that's going to be working with all this stuff, if it chooses to. And if I can bind it up, we'll see what happens. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is the update, and I'll see you in the next one.
Likey.